Balance on the revaluation surplus. A company bought a property 4 years ago on 1 January for $42,500. Since then, property prices have risen substantially and the property has been revalued at $52,500. The property was estimated as having a useful life of 20 years when it was purchased. What is the balance on the revaluation surplus reported in the statement of financial position? Answer: valuation $52,500. Carrying amount $42,500 times 16 over 20, negative $34,000. Revaluation surplus $18,500.